No, cause, bro, why do you have abs?
Here, okay, come here. Here you go.
Yeah.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet. I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Out here feeding the cats.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. And I won't live to see another day.
Don't lick his face, mama.
It's teeny tiny Tony on vacation. It's teeny, it's tiny, it's teeny tiny Tony. It's teeny tiny Tony on vacation.
Yeah. Right here. Right here. What? Right here.
On your mark. Get set. Bow. Grow. Flow. Blow. Go.
Watch my husky roll his eyes at me. Wait for it.
Oh. Wow, you transformed. Great outfit change. That was incredible.
Tell them what you do, baby. Do the thing, man. Do the thing, man. Tell them what you do.
What? What? Is your food bowl empty? What do you need? If you bark at me, I'm gonna get your dad. Andrew! Andrew, come get your son. He's gonna come get you. Your dad's coming. You're gonna be in big trouble when your dad gets here. Andrew, your son.
Kita. Kita, roar. Kita, roar. Roar, roar. Roar. Roar.
I need somebody to tell Cameron that he cannot go outside. No, baby. No. We live in the hood. Them cats will tear your ass up. He is a house cat, and he think that he could go outside and go play with them ghetto outside cats. Baby, you vaccinated. I don't know what them cats got. You not going out there. No. Go on. Go, Cam. Get away from this door. And now you talking back. You about to be put on punishment.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man. No!
When I bought my cat this cute motorized fish toy, I didn't know I was getting her that kind of toy.
Dinky! Mr. Dinky, we need to fill the chicks. Hi, Dinky.
Hovering dangling, lean into the dangle-dangle. Dangle me, dangle Lord, for I have sinned. A witness, dangle-dangle-dangle. Stick that.
I was bored, so I got a duck. He was lonely, so I got my duck a duck. My duck's duck needed a friend, so I got my duck's duck a duck. I don't like the odd numbers, so I got my duck's duck a duck.
I'm sorry. Are you hurting? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's my fault. I should have never put you on that. She's cute. And you rolled off? Did you roll off on it wrong? I hope it's... Oh, no. Fuck.
Learning to speak my dog's line. You look very proud. You do it. More of like a... I think it's because my head's not tilted as far back as you.
Thank you. Ay, tan grosero. Y canta, yo quiero que cante los pollitos. Cante.
These are my 3 cats. 2 of them are extremely intelligent, and the third one is orange.
Good girl. Come on, all the way in. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, honey. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Good job.
Oh.
Saving the energy to go pounce on Joel. Payback. It's all payback.
See if this works.
What's over there, dude? Do you see that? Do you see that? What is that? What is that over there? That is so weird. What is that, Kurt? Well, you see that right there? What is it? What is this?
It doesn't work.
Mars. Go, Mars. There you go. Lala. Wake up. Out of the kitchen, Slush. Out of the kitchen.
Slush is still training on this one, but I can't lie, I love the back talk.
Cupid. Slush.
It finally happened. I got all my cats in one spot. As you can see, one's already leaving, but this is all my cats. I have 6 in total. This is Summer cat, and then this is Clementine. So here are all my cats. Now you guys know that they're not all the same, even though they may look like it.
Okay, today's protest comes courtesy of seeing that dog play off leash and Archer being jealous. But Archer has no concept of being afraid of cars. As you can tell, we're next to a pretty busy street. So, under no circumstances will you be off leash here, Archer. Because you would easily run into the street and die. And I love you more than anything. I need you around. I need you to live forever. I need you to literally live forever. So let's go back. Archer, let's keep going, Bug. Do you want a treat? Bug, do you want a treat? Archer, you want some food? Archer.